Welcome to another episode of Not for the Weak Minded. This episode is about Christmas decorations in Reading Broad Street Mall. So, without further ado, should we look? What do you think? This absurdly abnormal Christmas decorations, wouldn't you say? No agenda here. Lovely, isn't it? What lovely Christmas decorations. You want to see more? It's a nice tree. That's the best bit. That's a lovely tree. There's more. Just sitting there. Lovely. With their wings on. The one over there. Are they male or female or androgynous, would you say? They've got tits, but they don't particularly look feminine. So, there's a look. That's a nice decoration in the middle. The six-pointed star. Star of David. And this is just another angle. Guarantee there's signs and symbols in here. Just gotta look more carefully. Are they doing any particular pose? Like as above, so below. Not on this occasion. But yeah, what's your thoughts? I think it's odd that these Christmas decorations are up, but that's just my opinion. I think that's it. Yep. So, please share, like, and subscribe.